Ladies and gents, everyone, today we are with another type of content that will be on channel. It's gonna be, there's a new release of Manjaro Linux. I had the Gnome version right now, and I will make the KDE and Xfce with a different video. And I just wanna start with the setup. How's the setup process going on? We will check that. Okay, we got the time zone, tables, and open source proprietary drivers that you can choose. In this screen, I would recommend to choose the proprietary, because not your experienced one, but if you are starting new and in this Linux universe, maybe your Wi-Fi adapter and maybe your sound card can have a proprietary driver to use it, and if you select open source drivers, maybe you have some problem in the system. I will go choose that, and we are with Manjaro. Wait a second. I'm on a virtual box that got 4 GB RAM and 2 CPU cores, and we are with Manjaro Linux release 22.1.0. The Manjaro and bunch of other Linux are rolling releases, and you don't have to install them just from the start scratch. You can just update and you are good to go. But right now we will check out this one, how it feels as a new setup. Yeah, we got the codename Talos. Welcome to Manjaro. Everything seems nice and same. Okay, we got the debug, mailing list, launch installer. Before I launch that, let me take a quick look at the Gnome. Close that. Manjaro hello. We will check that out. Activities. Okay, I never use it. Let me check the sound settings bar. I can change it with my mouse wheel. That's a great option to have. We got wired connection, night light. It doesn't change anything, but dark mode. Okay, dark mode changed the wallpaper and maybe that area. Okay, can I change it? Oh, okay, it doesn't change anything. But night light, maybe if I launch the Get, we will see a difference. Okay. The toolbars, title bars, and that items change to white. Nice, not that area. Maybe that's because of we need to change it in the Get. Go back. But night light, I will type QWE. With night light, does change and cancel. Close without saving. You just need to know that I'm not using Linux nowadays as my daily driver, because I just go, I just work, I came back home, I play games, I record them, and I'm using Xbox services for that. And because of that, I'm not close with Linux nowadays, but I'm enjoying using it. I can do whatever I can on Windows. It's nearly possible, because sometimes you got some proprietary, software like cat programs. Nightlight. I don't know about this feature, if it's working or not, or for just me it doesn't want to work right now. Maybe it can work on other systems, other setups. Let's see what's going on with appearance. Wait a second. We are at the Gnome. What version? Let me check that first, and we'll continue from there. We got software rendering. I picked the wrong disk capacity. 8 GB is maybe not enough for that system. Maybe we should go with like 20 something or 30 at least. Okay, but it's working. Nice. Maybe we can see some stutters, or when we open the apps, we can have some problems with them. But maybe that will be because of the graphic driver that we just inside the VirtualBox. And window in system. We are on X11 right now, 64-bit, 42.4. That's the Gnome version. Yeah, I like it. I think that seems great. About the Windows system, we had something else, that an E1, then this, what is it called? Everybody knows that. The people that watching this video know that. Okay, got the London, time zone, default applications. Yeah, why not? The thing about the Manjaro is, when you use a system, a Linux, not Linux. Linux is the core. What does it mean? GNU? Yeah, GNU Linux system. You want to install apps as easy as possible, right? And to think about that distributions, like from Manjaro, Arch, or what else? There's a new one that I can remember. Endeavor, yeah, Endeavor OS, in bunch of them. The main thing is how to, how is the experience with the install software that doesn't in the default install applications. But with Manjaro and bunch of other Arch-based distros, you got the AUR user repositories and systems ones, because of you had so much options. Okay, that scale, wait, let me check out. Okay, keep change. Wait a second. If I wanna go, that break a bit, but yeah, we're good to go. Yeah, sometimes you wanna go, 75, 50% or 150, maybe your screen is looking better with that. But right now, wait a second. We get sunset to sunrise. Manual schedule. If I change it to... Wait, if I change it like that, right? And color temperature. Is it changed? You see anything? I don't know. From 7 to 23. Okay. And what time is it? 15. Okay. Color temperature. Orangish. Can we see that? No. Yeah, like I said, maybe it will interact with your screen and you will see the change, but right now we can't. Okay, we got power saving options. That place is important, sometimes we had to deal with that. There's a new sound driver in Linux that you should make changes. Okay, location sources turned off, nice. But what happens? That's a really long checkout. I get it now. We had light mode. Okay, I think I like it better. Yeah, and Bluetooth notification, search, multitasking, hot corner. I got a second screen and maybe that's because of that I can activate those corners. Yeah, that's about it. Gnome version of the Manjaro at Mozilla. Come on. I got the sponsored websites and wikis for the Manjaro. I should check out something on the terminal. Okay, dark mode. Yeah, that's easy. That's nice. That's looking good. Yeah, we had some codes to check out to which Linux. Wait a second. What can it be? Who am I? Manjaro. Nice. I remember ls cd. Okay, cd something. ls cd to go back. Nice. Clear can work. Nice. But the prompt is different than the default one. And yeah, bunch of other stuff. Now, I just wanna install the system, right? American English. London. Next, UK and US. What to choose? I had a UK keyboard. In the installer, manual partitioning, erase disk, encrypt. No, I don't like that stuff. Right now I had a different boot manager other than the Windows original one. Name, it can be me, sword, login automatically. Yeah, we got two options for the Office, pre-Office, LibreOffice. I think I like the Libre one, but I'm just using the Google stuff because of that. But maybe the one installed Office software can be great. Yeah, hello. Manjaro is simple and elegant, yet fully customizable. Use as is or create something incredible, you decide. During the installation, this slideshow will provide a quick introduction. When we are installing this, I just wanna read the announcement tags a bit. An updated build of the project's rolling release distribution set with a choice of KDE, Xfce, Gnome desktop, as well as other flavors. The Philip Mueller said, Since we released carries in December 2022, we work hard to get the next release of Manjaro out there. We call it Talos. The Gnome edition has received several updates to Gnome 43 series. It includes a lot of fixes and polish when Gnome 40 was originally released in September 2023. It comes with a redesigned system status menu. Okay, system status menu. Is that it? Where can we see that? System status menu. World clocks. I like this design. System status menu is that, I guess. We got camera settings, lock, down, and the volume slider. Wait a second, can I control it here? Nice. It comes with a redesigned system status menu. The new design also makes it easy to see the stats of your settings at a glance. Our in-house layouts switcher application has gained some new features as well as various improvement fixes. Now you can create your own dynamic wallpaper with gradients. You can okay, they made some changes on the wallpaper side of the settings and maybe we should check it out before the installation. Okay, where's the wallpaper section? We got color, displays. Let me check display. No, obviously appearance. Can be appearance, yeah, background. It says we can create our own dynamic wallpaper. Yeah, let me just try that. Okay, Manjaro.org, copy image, save image to the system, downloads, can be, that's WebP. We will try the WebP one to see if it's working or not. Add picture, Manjaro pictures, downloads, WebP, open. Okay, it's working. Gradient. We don't have gradient, but if I, that's nice. The dock disappears. Then we go down. Okay, default, dark, but where's the gradient options? Okay, right click, no. Let me check that out again. The new design of our in-house layout switcher application. Layout switcher application. Wait a second. Layout. Oh, what's that application? I think this is my first time. Oh, that one. Okay, boys. Manjaro traditional material. Load desktop, nice. And settings. Dynamic wallpaper. Oh, okay, there you are. Opened it. Now we can create dynamic wallpapers. Light, dark. Wait, name. Hue, light. Okay, I can't select that because of that WebP image. What image can I find? Are you WebP? Save image. WebP. Copy left image. Okay, we are with Google right now. Copy left. Okay, that picture can work. Save images. PNG, nice. I like PNGs. Save it. Get down. Light wallpaper. Untitled. Open. Dark. Open. Create. Created. Wait a second. That's created. And that one. That tells us this is a dynamic wallpaper, right? How can we dark mode close? Is it changed the anthem? Night light? Boys, maybe we just don't understand how the dynamic wallpaper works, right? Okay, come here. Or come here. That's an obvious one. Obvious prime. This is the dark one. And light one, change. But okay, let me read the text again. Our in-house layout switcher application has gained some new features as well as various improvements and fixes. Now you can create your own dynamic wallpaper. With gradients, you can customize your theme from within the application. There are many presets. Presets. When I call presets, maybe we should expect to change something. I will check that real quick. Yeah. Wallpapers, layout switcher. I got appearance, dynamic wallpaper creator. What's on the appearance? Change. Wait. Gradients. Ooh. Continue. Start using gradients. Boys, we got so much options. View colors, header bar color. Oh man. Now I just wanna say that I just like the default settings for a system distribution. Now default is my go-to. If I don't like it, I just change this row. I don't know why, man. Okay, let me check traditional one. Can I check it real quick? Nice. It's a Windows-like system right now. Or KDE-like. I like those. Okay, we got home, trash, Nice. That's nice because when you switch operating systems too often, you wanna see some similar things in your screen, right? Okay, material. Yeah, you can see everything that we opened like that, I think. I'm not a fan of that stuff. Okay, let me check the Gnome version and Manjaro. No, I think the Gnome version, when you need to check out the dock, you have to go to activities, and this is the main difference from the Manjaro version. Yeah, this is the, you know, pure Gnome version, but I don't like it. You always have to go to activities and it's not opening. Okay, we should restart it right now to see what's going on. And can I do that? Can I do that? Okay, I just pressed close. Virtual box. Nice. Should I... Wait a second. Maybe I should unplug the USB. Wait a second. Let me quickly... Manjaro. Boys, that's a really long video, right? Yeah, maybe just... Is that scroll? No, it's not scroll. Just skip like parts of the video. And yeah, going on. Manjaro. Am I stuck? Am I stuck with 8 GB storage space? If that's the problem, I will just go for the KDE version because I think we saw the Gnome versions, differences and basic things as a glance. Okay, boys, I think, yeah, we are done with the Gnome version of the Manjaro Linux new release 22.1.0, and yeah, that's about it. Maybe I will continue to make videos like this, or maybe not, I'm not sure. But yeah, thanks for watching, thanks for being here. I will see you at the next one. Bye.